Second winner, first place winner, this is for representing the Courier Times Market, is young Eddie Camp, who's 11 years old. Eddie's back there. Eddie lives in Holland, and he's here today with his mother, Mary. And it's my honor to read Eddie's entry. Charlie is the best manager ever. He's cool. He understands his players, and he can bench a star player to show no one gets special treatment. He uses players' strengths and helps them improve weaknesses. He makes everyone feel important. Charlie's not afraid to try different things no matter what anyone else thinks. He gets a lot of wins every season. He's like a normal guy, but he's still the best manager ever. I would like to have him as my coach. This is why I would really like to meet Charlie, and he got to do just that an hour ago. Mindy Emerson, who works with me up at the Intelligencer, she's our marketing designer. She came up with this design concept, and she put together some of the finalists, and we're going to leave it here so you can read some of the other entries. Thank you, Charlie. It's been a real privilege to be here with you tonight.